what factors have changed most in the recent years when companies identify potential US regions or states?
Yeah, the three main things come immediately to mind. The first one, absolutely energy. Energy is now really a strategic advantage for different locations. There is certainly infrastructure constraints, grid capacity that has raised some concerns for different areas. And so for a lot of projects, energy availability and the feasibility of scaling up when needed is driving the overall site selection process and where companies start to focus their initial searches. The second one that comes to mind is speed to market. It, I think, has always been a factor that many companies have sought after, but the concept of speed to market has evolved a little bit. So I feel as if historically speed to market was really around the construction aspect and the ability to build very quickly. But now speed to market is really thinking about the overall ecosystem that ultimately impacts the ability for the company to get from deciding on a site to generating revenue. So when we're thinking about the speed to market, it's not just building the actual facility, but the permitting timeline. Can that go through very easily without any difficulties? Workforce, maybe workforce from the raw data says that it's there, but are you going to be able to scale up in the time that you need it? Is there going to be a phased approach that has to be considered? So speed to market has to look beyond just the site itself and then all of the other factors that would play a role to make those operations work. And then the last one that comes to mind, environmental aspects or compatibility with the community. So making sure from an industrial standpoint, for instance, that the community you go into makes sense and is compatible has always been a part of the puzzle. But a lot of areas are seeing a lot of activity. There's things in the news from data centers that resources are being drained. So this is top of mind for a lot of just everyday citizens. Are you going to have people that speak up against the project that's delaying overall and then, of course, impacting the ability to operate?